Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Drew Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time, I'm going to react the live performance of Beanie with their song entitled Carrera on Wish 107.5 bus. So, the Wish bus dropped this video few days ago. So, I'm really excited to make my reactions. Guys, if you haven't seen any of my reaction to this amazing group, Beanie, just check on my channel. So before I proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. Wishclusive. So it's been a while also since the last time they released a video of Beanie. So check natin ito. Stacy. Ganda ng boses. Joanna. Lalo silang gumaganda guys ha. Wow. Boses. Grabe. Ang sarap pakinggan ng yung mga second voices. Grabe talagang binisa yung harmony nila. Mika. Iba ang buhok Hi Blooms. Wow. Wow, ang ganda ni Mika ganda talaga ng mga boses nila. Gwen, iba din ang kulay ng buhok. Wow, boses ni Maloy at saka ni Colette. Grabe yung harmony. Harmonization ng grupong to. Sheena. Ganda pakinggan ng mga boses nila. Wow guys. Grabe talaga tong Beanie. Sana mabigyan sila ng more projects and more exposure kasi sayang yung talent nila. When it comes to dancing, grabe, ang galing din nila. The synchronization is really on point. Plus dito guys, yung boses nila, yung quality, yung range, at saka yung harmonization like this one. Lalo pa pag nagsabay-sabay sila kumanta, yung mga second voices, kahit pakinggan mo yung parang ang linis-linis. Ito yung nakaganda sa Beanie guys kasi yung nila recording at saka yung live performance nila, yung sounds ng mga boses nila pare-pareho, parang ang sarap ng pakinggan at ang ganda ng kanta nito, yung Carrera, at ang ganda din ng meaning. So wow, ang sarap pakinggan ng mga boses talaga ng Beanie. Lalo silang gumaganda guys ha. Grabe, ang ganda pakinggan talaga pag nagsabay-sabay silang kumanta. Kulit. Gwen. Wow. Ooh, the rap of Stacy. Ooh, nag-second voice si kulit ah. Wow, Mika. Pakinggan nyo guys yung second voice. Ang sarap pakinggan. Sina ano ata yan? Si Aya. Grabing vocals nila. Wow, ang cute ng boses ni Aya. Wow. They're really good. Galing na din nila mag-adlib sa. Wow. Ang harmony talaga nila. Grabe, ang ganda ng mga boses. Bini. Wow guys, ang sarap nila pakinggan. Live na live talaga yung vocals nila. Wow, ang harmonization, ad-libs. Ganda talaga ng quality ng boses nila. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the live performance of BINI with their song entitled Carrera on Wish 107.5 bus. So, I hope you like and enjoy this reaction. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.